Hi YouTube, it's Michael from Direct Drives and Patios at Coalville. Just another new patio we've installed in Coalville. He's gone for the Indian Sandstone with the charcoal paved edge and the camel in the Indian Sandstone. And we've also done the sleeper stepping, sleeper border. Also we've installed a new step at the door here, as you can see. A beautiful job by Direct Drives and Patios at Coalville. They've gone with the recessed manhole cover, so it matches in with the slabs, and then you see it's got the border charcoal edging going all the way around as a complete border, and then the Indian Sandstone in the 4 sizes in the camel finish with the dark grey grouting. As you can see, another beautiful job by Direct Drives and Patios, Coalville. Also installed a new little step there going up into his garage.